How to create a storybook on Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can create a storybook using a free tool called Canva. This is a very good tool to make some free designs. It has a lot of features that you can use, but today's feature we are going to use is a storybook, the creation of storybook. For this video I'm going to use three websites. The first one, Canva.com. The second one is Google Sheets. The third one is ChatGPT. Now, let's go ahead and make a design for a storybook. You go access to Canva.com. Then we have here story. We are going to type simply on the search bar storybook. And we will see right here we have an 8 with 8 inches. Here we have some templates that you can go ahead and use, or you can go ahead and click on create blank. This is a very good start right here. We can go ahead and customize right here the background color. I'm going to make this, for example, background color. And here on the elements I'm gonna add some elements, or for example a rabbit. I'm going to search for rabbit on the elements. I'm going to skip this tour. Then I am going to see all the graphics. This is a free graphic. I'm going to adjust it like that, and I'm going to place it right here. Now you can go ahead and put a text box. For example, I'm going to put the story of a little rabbit like this, and here we go. This is the text or the title that I'm going to put. I'm going to make it smaller. Here I'm going to simply adjust it like that. And also we can add a photo to it so we can make everything go in order. Here I'm going to put, for example, from rabbit I'm going to put let's go ahead and put form like that. I'm going to see the form that we will have here. This is the photo. I'm going to make this photo like that. I'm going to put some adjustments here and there on the corners. Then I'm going to make the position, or change the position of the rabbit. Here it is very simple. Click on the three dots, and here we have the layer. You can bring it forward like that, and here we go. Now let's go to ChatGPT. Then I'm going to put, for example, a story. Write me a story of a rabbit in a farm. And here I'm going to type it simply like that, and it is generating the story. All I have to do when the ChatGPT finish everything on the story side, I'm going to open a Google Sheet right here. Then I'm going to put, for example, a blank spreadsheet. Let's go ahead and try this one. Now I'm going to put this. I will go back to ChatGPT, and here I'm going to copy here. Then I'm going simply to paste it right here. I'm going to paste everything, and then I'm going to delete every unnecessary blank. And now we have here some blanks that we can delete, but it is up to you. Now, and I am going to export the file as a CSV here, as you can see. If you don't have an app called Bulk Create on Canva, which is a pro features that you will see only on the pro plans, here I am on the pro feature, but I didn't find it. All you have to do is go back to the spreadsheet that you have. Then you are going right here with this one, select all of this, here copy, and simply we are going to the story. Right now on the page number 2, I have created this design. I have only duplicated uh, the background to 3 or 4 pages. I'm going to put right here the story. As you can see, I'm going to make it bigger. Here are just the lines like that, and this is a line for the story, for example. This has. Now I'm going to put this for the second line. I'm going to show you the most important things that you need. Here, copy. Simply go to right here, this design, paste it right here. As you can see, we are going to make it bigger. For example, let's go ahead and make this bigger. Or I'm going to adjust the lines so it will be suitable for this one. This is just an example. I'm going to put also here for a third line. Go ahead to the third line right here, select all, copy, and paste it right here. Boom, here you go. I'm going to put right here something like that. Here we have this. I'm going to put it right here, put that like that, and boom, here we go. I'm going to make it like that, and let's go ahead and see what we have. This is the last one. I'm going to click on here. I'm going to type all, copy, paste again, and here we go. I'm going to make it bigger. Then here we go. That's it. Then when you finish the storybook, you click simply on share, and here we are going to click on more. Now I'm going to start making a storybook. I will go to the design section, click on Design Flipbooks, and then I'm going to click on open. Here it will asks you the number of the page that you are going to make for this book. I'm going to select all the 5 pages. Simply click on save, and here we have the preparing your design. It is prepared. Now I'm going to view the design or the ebook or the storybook from Design. Now I'm going to wait for it right here, and it should be ready in few seconds. As you can see, this is the flip book that we have. I'm going to see it is a flip. Yes, it is a flip book. As you can see here, it is very good. You can go ahead and adjust whatever you want right here. Click on edit, and you have a lot of things that you can do right here. I'm going to click on this. We have the style, the title, the page effect, the background, the logo, the controls. For example, for the page effect, we have here magazine. You can go and put it as book. You can also put it as album, notebook, slider, cards, overflow, one page. This is very simple. And here we have a book. Now, if you want to share this book, all you have to do is to save the modification that you've made, and then click on share right here. Click on this page, copy. When you open a new tab, and here you are going to paste the link, go ahead to the link and see where it will be guiding you. And here we have the book. Now when you click on this, here we have the book. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and see you soon on the next one.